Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Nextstopper app not opening, not working at all, so let's try it. You can see mine is even saying I have an older version and it can't open. I've been trying to update it, but it has not been working. So if you're also facing this issue, or maybe yours was open but you cannot view your classes and the rest of that, so first thing you have to do is go to your phone settings, alright, and you open it up. You go down to apps and click on apps just like this. You scroll down and you search for Nextstopper, and once you see the app, you're going to click to it right here. Click on that, and you have to scroll down to storage and clear the cache and also the data. And once you do that, you go back and you're going to put it on force stop. Click on that, and afterwards you go try to update the app. So once you do that and it doesn't get resolved, all you need to do is just uninstall the app, reinstall again, log in, and it's going to work perfectly for you. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.